to a session started. Welcome to a session on research paper writing. How to document a well-organized, well-researched paper so that it may be published. There are various patterns, various guidelines. For example, one guideline is there, MLA, that is Modern Language Association of America. There is another guideline of getting your research paper published, that is PMLA, Published Modern Languages Association of America. Then there is another format that is known as API. Among all the research patterns and Springer format or any other elsewhere format, different researching bodies, they prescribe that paper, if you wish to publish in their journal, that must be documented according to their established pattern. And for that purpose, let us try to have a golden mean, middle idea for that, so that one can at least document that particular research paper. So paper element can be divided into again three parts: front matter, main text and end matter. Let us take up front matter one by one. Front matter directly begins from the title page of a research paper, where indexing is also done and terms or key terms or keywords are mentioned. The whole idea of the research paper, central idea will be the title of the paper, as well as key terms will be indicators that what are the key particular 4-5 terms or 3-4 terms that is going to be discussed mainly inside the body of the paper. Then keywords. Later on, abstract of the research paper, approx 200 to 500 words, as varies according to the norms of particular research journal. And abstract will be giving the holistic hypothesis along with the content of the research, and the direction of the research will be mentioned inside abstract. Then program, project or grant from which the research is conducted, that should be acknowledged over there. Then dedication should be there, that it is dedicated to, suppose that Government of India is the funding body or state Government of India is AUP is funding body, we must attach a dedication. Later on, research paper, if it is a long research paper, well then you are advised to use table of contents for like this page is doing this, one is for like very long paper. Then list of symbols, that should be added over there. Let us look at how one should compile the main text of the research paper element. Then first will be section and subsection mentioning inside the research paper, and there will be headings and subheadings accordingly. Subsection must be in the alignment with section, and the similarly subheading should be having something logically to do with the headings. Then figures, and with captions and numbers. Figures should be having their caption suitably mentioned below them, sometime above them, according to the guided norm of the particular journal. And then with caption and numbers. Let us move to the end matter. These are the 3-4 elements of main text of a research paper. End matter will be dealing with figures, with captions and table, then appendices, and then acknowledgements. And then acknowledgement, you must acknowledge the source from where you receive the grant, support, fund and money, etc. Then there will be references, directly citation of the work, the thing you have borrowed from some resource, and as references are earlier known as footnotes form, but according to guideline of the condition or targeted of the journal, you must mention here like work cited, or references mean that list of work cited. So modern trend, some of the journal follow as work cited, or it is produced in the footnote form, or it is author-led system. What system you are going to document this? You must be like sometimes people guide that MLA 6th edition pattern, MLA 7th edition pattern. What pattern you are going to document your reference? It must be documented accordingly and ideally. Then there comes dedication, and finally author's biographies. If research paper is researched by one person, so his life history in the third person must be maintained in 200 words or 150 words, or even sometimes some of the journals say that it must not be more than 1000 characters. So according to the guideline, biography should be mentioned. Let us have the biography of any person, any author that is over there. So I wish to read the biography of the writer of the book Thrice Born Names, Female Poetics in Ellen Sowalter. It's a biography of a lady, Dr. Mahima Singh. Took her bachelor, master's and PhD degree from BHU and Mahatma Gandhi Kasi Vidyapith Varanasi in the year 2004, 2006, 2013 respectively. She has published scholarly papers in the international and international refereed journals. She has presented 13 papers in the field of feminist studies, contemporary literary theory and fiction in the national and international seminars organized by prestigious institutions. Dr. Mahima is currently teaching in the Department of English, DAV PG College, Varanasi. She is engaged in exploring the emergence of canon in contemporary Indian English poetry. So what is the current area of the work of the person and what is his research interest, that must be highlighted. This should be the end matter. Let us look at the order of the research paper element. Order should be like how should we finally organize it. So the serial order should be like title first, names of the authors, abstract, then later on keywords, list of symbols, and then paper section should be there. It will be dealing with the main body of the paper, main research material, data collection, data analysis, data processing, and finally the conclusion, appendices, acknowledgements, references, then table with headings, and then figures, and finally leading to the bibliography. That's the end of our paper element, and thanks a lot for patience listening.